Assalamu alaikum Muslim believers. Today I'm going to talk about prayers, and I would like to remind you that you are in the right place. So today's topic is pray on time. Remember, it is best to perform each of the 5 obligatory prayers as soon as the time has commenced, as it is not permitted to delay them without a valid reason, and it must not be delayed beyond its permitted time. Thank you. And if you found this short interesting, make sure you turn on notification, hit that subscribe button, and comment. Thank you.